y'all, welcome back. How does grilled pound cake and pineapple sound to you?
Unusual.
Well, it is unusual, but you know, this is so easy. I've got a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of packed brown sugar, and about 1/3 of a cup of pineapple juice that I drained off of our canned pineapples that I'm using. We're just gonna stir those up, and then I'm gonna just come around here, son, because I want to add a little cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg.
Oh, well, I got the pound cake laid out here. You're gonna brush it first? Okay.
Yes, we're gonna brush it. So all we're gonna do, Bobby, is just take our concoction and brush our cake. You know, I'm very liberal with my brushing. I'm using a store-bought pound cake, or you can make a homemade pound cake. All right.
Shoot ya.
Perfect.
All right.
Now, I'm just gonna take our canned pineapple, Bobby, and I'm just gonna drop it down in there.
I didn't put this on too soon, did I?
No,
We're gonna grill
no.
the pineapple separately from the...
I'm just gonna stick this pineapple now on the grill. And this is gonna be a wonderful dessert.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, a piece of cake. There we go.
I'm gonna give this one just a second more over the flame back there.
Okay.
Only thing that's missing is a cherry, isn't it?
Well, or raspberry. Now, I'm just gonna come in here, Bobby, and I'm gonna top this with a little cream.
Oh, a little?
A few raspberries, and a few nuts. Now, how good does this look, Bobby?
Oh, that's beautiful.
There you go, son.
Oh, and here you go.
Yes.
Here's one more piece.
Oh, I can't eat two, son. Here, well, maybe I'll try. There you go.
Did we just do the whole meal?